Hey there, welcome to VIT-AP's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today is day 4 and let's see the question number 2. So the question is, write a Java program to calculate the area of circle given its radius as input. So we need to ensure that the result is of type double and your task is to take the radius as input and display the calculated area of circle. It sounds simple, so let's see what's area of circle. So we already know what is area of circle since childhood, right? So this is a circle and this is the radius of circle, it's r. So now what is the area? So we write it as pi r square. So this pi value is 22/7, or in decimal value we write it as 3.14, and the r here is radius. This is radius, we are going to take it as an input from the user. So also in this code we are not going to use the traditional value of the pi, that is 22/7 directly, but we are going to use something else. So let's find out. So let's dive into the code. First of all, let's create the Java file. So I'll name it as area of circle.java. So we have got the structure and now I'll write the main method. So that is public static void main and string args. So now we have to take the input of the radius, right? So for that I'll first create the scanner object. So scanner, let the object name be OB, and now new scanner, and here system.in. So now we have created the scanner object. So let's declare the variable to store the radius. So what shall be its data type? So the radius can be in the decimal also, right? So here instead of using int data type, we are going to use some other, which is double. So double, and let the variable name be radius equals ob dot. So what shall we give here? Look at this, we have already got the option that we need to give next double. So why we need to give the next double? What will happen if we give next int? So if we write here next int, the input we give will be integer, and the variable we are going to store is the type double. So it would result in an error. So that's why we need to give here next double, right? So look at here, the import statement got already written. So this is the benefit of using IDs. And now that we have got the radius, now we have to write the area. So let's create another variable. I'll create double area. Here it is pi r square, right? So here instead of using pi value, that is 22/7 directly, we are going to use the inbuilt Java pi value, that is math.pi. So this value here, for using this we are not going to import anything because this gets directly imported into all the Java programs by default. So we don't need to import anything, that's the magic of this. So now here we will write radius into radius. So pi r square, that's it. So we have calculated the area, so now we will output it. So what is the print statement shortcut? S out and tab. So the area of circle is, here concatenation operator, there is plus and plus area, that's it. So also let us tell the user that he need to give the input of radius. So here I will write give an input for radius. So this will be easy for the user to know that he should give the input for the radius. So we have written everything, final step is to close the object. So this is done. So now let's run the code. So I'll open the terminal using the shortcut, which is Ctrl plus backtick. So now what is how to do this? First we will compile the code. Java C area of circle dot java. It's taking some time. Okay. So the class file is created, that means the Java code has successfully compiled. Now we'll run the file. Area of circle. Look at this, we have got the prompt that is saying we need to give the input of radius. So let's give 4.5. So look at this, we have got the output of the area of circle. So this is very huge value, right? So that's it. This is how we calculate the area of circle using the user input. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Do join the WhatsApp group to get more updates on the VCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. The link is in the description below. Thank you.